ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಆಲ್. Shubhodaya. Good morning. Let us start the session with the Omkara 3 times. Let us slowly close our eyes. Let us keep our focus on our breath. Take a long deep breath in. Breathe out. Another deep breath in. While breathing out, let us chant Omkara. Let us do it 3 times. Let us offer gratitude to all our gurus, all our teachers, masters, all the siddhas, yoginis, all the angels. Let us set an intention for this session. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ become most useful for me. Let it heal all my deep rooted issues. Let us all have abundance in our life, abundance of health, wealth, prosperity, great relations. Slowly let us rub our palms. ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಉಜ್ಜಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಕಣ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಪಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಐಸ್. slowly looking at our palms, let us open our eyes. Thank you again for joining in. Starting today, next 9 days, let us have this healing session. Let me give some instructions before we start. Here is how I have planned it. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಚಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತ. Let me also repeat in Kannada if anybody requires Kannada translation. So before this healing session, I request you to have at least a glass of water and try to have this kind of cup, this kind of glass filled with water. As we are more people, we can set the intention to have the healing energies come inside, and also let this water become the nectar and let it have solutions for our all problems. Next, I had asked you to keep 51,000 rupees in cash if possible. Otherwise you can have a magic check written in your name. So you can have this cash inside a cover. Again, as we are in a group, let us bless this money for our abundance. Whoever has the Healy with you, I am running the activation chakra activation program, gold programs, and pain programs and deep cycle programs. The abundance program runs with pink app, as you know, so I won't be able to run it with the blue app. So instead you can run pain program. So these are the instructions. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Let us start with a chakra balancing program. So for this I'll be playing a music. You just have to listen to the music, concentrate on the chakras. Okay, before that let me just give some idea how we can do this charging of water. So you just have to hold this water in between your palms. ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಡಗೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲಗೈ ಈ ಥರ, and you can keep it near the heart and have an intention that let this water become the nectar and let it give me and my family members solutions, problems, whatever the problems we have, let it give the solution. And then you can keep it in front of you along with your money, cash, whatever you have, or the check ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ during the healing. Okay, after the healing you can use this water for drinking, or you can also use it for cooking, or you can transfer it to the water jug. Okay, so during the session you may have one intention for clearing all your deep rooted issues. Again, since we are in a group, there is high possibility that we will clear deep rooted issues, and try to join all the 9 days so that it is a cycle, and depending on the response I intend to continue for some more days. So this is about water charging. So this is the magic check that I was mentioning. If you do not have the money with you, you can take a printout of this and write your name, etc., and write 51,000. So 51,000 is a number. You can write more if you want. Okay, let us start with the chakra meditation. So if you have any questions, please unmute and ask. So before we proceed, I would like to please switch on the videos. Yes, please.
And I want to know what is the pink app you are playing.
No, I am using blue app.
Blue app which?
For now I'll run the chakra activation.
Okay.
And after for the second session I will use the gold program, deep cycle, 2 programs I will run, and also pain program you can run.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So you can join me if you have the Healy with you. You can have a group created for quantum frequency healing, and you can give the date today. And now I request everyone to switch on your camera and let me record the vibration.
Video disable agide anta sir.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Sir, water ಈಗಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ?
ಈಗಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So whoever has the Healy, please look at the screen and keep the Healy on your right hand, and you can record the vibration for this group. So let this healing become the best healing for all these people who are visible to you.
ಗುರುರ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್.
ಚೆಕ್ಕನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ,
ಓಕೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸಲ ನೀರನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾ?
ಹಾ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ. ಯಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಹಾ. Okay, now let me play the music, the sound healing music. You may turn off the video if you wish to, or you can keep it open. Okay. Slowly you may open your eyes. So whoever has the Healy with you, you can run the program as it was mentioned in the Frequency Warriors group, 37 seconds 3 times, 3 rounds, and then followed by 6 minutes or 12 minutes. So that same process we can follow. So I'm doing the same way. Now let us go to the second phase. Let us take the money, whatever you have, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and let us set this intention that let us not worry for money any time in our life. Let us also bless all the people who are with us. There are more than 40 people with us. Just keep this money in front of you, in between your palms, or you can keep the money in front of you and you can be in the blessing posture this way. Now imagine large sums of money coming to you, and all money related issues, let it go away from your life. You will never worry about money anytime in future. Let us also bless all the people who have joined here. Now let us also imagine all the bank accounts, credit card, debit cards, our wallets, everything. Let us bless with the good intention, good energy. If you have learnt any energy healing techniques, you can also use your symbols. Let us bless abundance in everybody's life. Okay, now with this intention, ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Keep your money in front of you, and we'll go to the next healing. Here I'll be using the pain program, abundance program, and deep healing. 3 programs I'm running with the Healy, so you can also do the same. If you need a bio break, you can quickly go and come.
ಹೀಲಿ ಪೇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೀಲಿ ಅದು ರೇಖಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್?
For today you can imagine the symbols. From tomorrow I'll run some of the holy fire meditations, pre-recorded meditation, so you can go with that flow. Whatever is whatever you listen to it, you can just follow that process. Okay, but for
Thanks.
today I think we are getting late, so I'll try to finish by 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Slowly let us rub our palms. ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಉಜ್ಜಿ ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಖ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Keep your palms on your eyes. Slowly, by looking at the palms, you can open your eyes. Thank you all for joining. So the session is ended now, healing session. Tomorrow again we will meet at the same time, 5:15 to 6 o'clock. Today it was delayed a little bit. I'm sorry about it. If you have any questions, I'm here for some more time. Someone asked me also about Healy. Let me explain. So if you have no questions, you may drop. And tomorrow please join again, and there is a Telegram group. You can join this if you want to know more about Healy and other programs. So yeah, thank you. Someone asked me about Healy, Shiva sir, I think. Shiva, will you be able to understand Kannada, or let me explain in English? Is he here? Okay, thank you. English, yeah, okay. So there is a video. You can ping me. I will send you my number. You can go through that video by one of my mentor, Dr. M.V. Priyank. I will share that video. You will have more information about Healy device. So this device makes use of yes. So this makes use of quantum healing technology, quantum frequency healing also we call it. This is a device, something like this, a small device, and there are few apps which we use from the mobile, we install on the mobile, and when we add the client information, we can also do the distant healing. Okay, please message me, Shiva sir, so that you will have that video. You can go through that and get more information. So also, if you want to buy this device, there is some great offer until tomorrow. So you can contact me on this number. I will give my number. Please message me on WhatsApp. You can also contact the person whom you got the invite from. ಯಾರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, or you can contact me. Okay, fine. If there are no questions, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Namaste. Have a nice day.